So it started off with semester 1, we did a CNA program, and then we moved into a CPR and first aid section of it. And once second semester rolled around, we had 1 quarter dedicated to our TMA process, and then our 4th quarter was our medical terminology process. And that would just give us a base and a foundation for what we know in the medical field.
I wanted my CNA because I want to go into nursing.
So I had a lot of interest in the medical field to start, but I had no interest in getting my CNA. But getting it was good, and learning it and all the stuff with it was good. The coolest part for me was getting to work in the lab here. We have a bunch of mannequins, and we got to try our skills on the mannequins, and that was fun, getting to be with another classmate to work on it and learn how to do the things hands-on was fun.
I was either gonna go into chiropractic type of thing or nurse practitioner, along the lines of that. And they've really changed my perspectives on what I want to do too, and they get me interested in other things, which is really, really nice of her to do and bring them in. And even the people that don't even just show up.
I got into this class because I wanted to learn more about healthcare careers and go more into the medical field. Medical field has always been something I've been interested in, and it's great that we've had so many opportunities to see something new from so many people that come in and talk to us about all the different careers and what they do day to day and their schedules. It's just great.
I'm excited about our job shadows and just experiencing what we might be interested in to see if we actually want to do it or if we don't, if it's not anything we want to do.